Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Farah. Today we're going to cook salmon with vegetables. The ingredients for this recipe are a piece of salmon, one courgette, one chilli and a couple of asparaguses. I think I've got around 8 to 10 there. Some extra virgin olive oil, some salt and some pepper and some lemon juice. You can either use fresh lemons or you can use lemon juice of your choice. So the salmon is now unwrapped. I'm going to add my seasoning. So first of all I will add some salt and some black pepper. You just turn that over and you do that on both sides. Again, just a tiny little bit of salt and pepper for some taste. There you go. So you need a pan around this size. I'm just going to add a tiny little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to allow that to heat up. So my cooking oil has heated up, and then what you do is you just add your salmon pieces to the pan like that. And allow them to cook. Yeah, I'm going to turn them over now. After a couple of seconds, minutes, you just turn the salmon over, and as you can see, it's cooking really fast. Salmon tends to cook really fast, and it does start to break a little bit because it's so thin and so fine. So now I am going to just go ahead and add a tiny little bit of lemon juice over, just to give it that extra little bit of a zing. Give it a twist and a turn. So the next step is the asparagus. I just chop the ends off. The stalks. I just cut them into small pieces. Some people put them in whole, but I find if you chop them, they cook a little bit more faster. And then I just add that straight in. Is to just add one courgette. Just take away the green skin. And just chop that finely into small pieces. Again, just chop it through the middle and really quickly just give it a good chop and just add that to your pan. I just usually start separating, putting the salmon onto one side and put the vegetables on the other side, and what you'll see is the salmon is nearly cooked, so I will empty the salmon into a plate and I will carry on with my vegetables. Now, as the salmon is cooked, I am just going to put that onto a plate because I don't want that to burn. There we have it. Now we will add one of these red chilies. What you do is you chop that down the middle, and I just want this for taste, so I don't want the chili feeling within it, so I'm just going to remove all of this, and then I'm just going to dice this very finely, and it just gives your salmon that extra taste and that extra flavour. There you go. And then you just add to your pan and just cook away. I am now just going to add some salt and pepper just to give it a little bit of a taste. And just stir that for around 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes maybe. The vegetables take approximately around 5 to 10 minutes. So my vegetables are now ready, so I am just going to empty my vegetables onto my serving plate. There you go. And now you just add your smoked salmon onto the plate. And there is your salmon, asparagus and courgettes. It's a really easy and delicious recipe. Do try it at home and let me know how you got on in the comment section below. If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.